welcome back, and today, yeah, I'm showing you all my slimes. So, the first slime is baby slime, and this one I made with my mom, with glue and Tide, and beads, of course. It's in a name. And stop. That's mine, and it's special. It's cute. I'm just saying, it's cute. I told you not to touch that before. It's special.
No, you haven't. You've never showed me it and never told me not to touch it.
Maybe you didn't hear. Now I'm trying to do a video. And this slime, I'm not showing you. And definitely not this frog one, because it is, well, it's made out of the same thing, but I will poke this one and pick it up. But it's really sticky. Like, literally. Just trying to poke. Like, not when you lift it up. Sticky.
What would this be?
Okay. So yeah, this slime I made out of baking soda, shaving foam, well, shaving foam, shaving cream, whatever, and glue, and for the main ingredient, secret, is Tide.
There's more here.
This is one of my favorite slimes, but it is a little bit sticky. It's kind of like frog slime. Feels like frog slime. So my next slime that I'm going to show you is this one. It fell in the sand at the beach. So it got a little bit rocky because we were near the dog area. Just basically just rocks, but yeah. And well, it did have sparkles in it. It sort of does. So that's what I'm trying to get on the bottom. It's not coming off well. Hey Sierra, if you stay over, do you want to watch Daddy's Home too? It's actually really funny.
I watched it last night.
I literally did.
The Christmas one?
Not that one.
Yes, Daddy Home 2 is where the Christmas...
Yeah, so...
I watched it. I don't want to watch it again.
Well, I didn't know that, okay? I was just asking. And this one is actually, I made this one out of glue and Tide again. This one is, it's pretty soft, actually. It's really soft. I really like this one, actually. It used to be so pretty, though. It used to be like a turquoise and purple, but it mixed, so it's not that fun. I like a mermaid slime because it had blue sparkles in it. In here. I'm pretty sure you saw, so I'm going to try to get more in there right now. And I made this one with my friend Taylor. Well, she was like there when I made it. She didn't help me or anything. Okay. Well, I'm going to watch Daddy's Home 2 tonight, Sierra. Oh my gosh. Fine, what happens in Daddy's Home 2?
It's the Christmas Daddy Home 2.
I know, what happens?
I watched it with my grandma. They go to the thing in the summertime.
What thing?
Not summer, winter. He cuts down the tree with a satellite, and they get it put in the front room.
And what else happens?
I don't know. They had a big fine and stuff like that. I know, I can't quite remember. You know I have memory loss.
Because you didn't.
I
All
watched
the
it.
stuff you said was in the previews.
You can look at all my watch history on Netflix later. I can even show you.
I'll delete that too. I'm gonna play with this one later. It's really funny. And so my next one is. Did I already show you this one? Yeah, I think I did. My next slime.
You can even ask my grandma.
My next slime is a slime that used to have worms in it. And I have one of my frog toys and another big, huge batch of slime with the unicorn that Sierra bought me. And I also have another slime that came out of this Smashboard.
What is that unicorn?
I just said it. Literally, just said it.
With a slime?
Yeah, I really like this slime. It's sort of dried out.
Ooh, you just hit me.
Slap.
No.
Slap a Remy.
No.
Okay.
Slap the minion.
My mom might have actually went to BC, like she said. Remember?
We're alone.
Yeah, I sort of like this one. Like now, Sierra, please, I'm trying to talk. Yes. And this slime it was bigger than this. It was like this much full up to the container, like halfway. And I put some of it into my big slimes to make it a little bit bigger. Wait. Okay, so my squishy toys. My first one.
This is the little potato show.
Wait, I'm gonna go between these two.
Alexis, what's your music group?
I'm not telling you. It's in my thing.
Tell me later.
I actually don't know. I don't remember.
You can tell me sometime because I have mine. I forget mine too.
Oh, it was the blue one.
The blue one I made. What? It farts. I'll show you something. Look at this.
And then I made the purple one.
My favorite color is blue.
So I get rid of the
Blue.
one. Okay.
Boom.
Did have a smiley face on it.
Cool. No.
And these ones we put in lotion,
No.
shaving cream, which is my dad's. Thank goodness my dad never looks on here, so you don't know that.
Dun. What if he did?
He actually never looks at my phone. Besides, he's never home. Except for one more.
Your mom does.
Yeah, so.
Remember
Mom.
the creepy selfie?
Kate, stop.
What?
Because I don't like that.
Baby things?
Stop, Sierra.
I'm just saying, creepy.
Yeah, and you know, I just said it. And this one is the slime, which I will open right now. See? Slime. And I'll go and get my slime from downstairs, and Sierra will come with me. Because we'll go downstairs. And you need to clean up all this Play-Doh stuff.
I know.
Because you're the only one that's been told.
I know.
So yeah, it's actually really good.
I know.
It's like, it's pink on the
Oh,
outside,
God.
as you can tell. But when I squeeze it, it gets all purple and blue. So I
And
really
I
like
drink
it.
a lot of juice, and I drink a lot of Great big moose.
I hate that
Great
song.
big moose. It's my camp song.
Yeah, so is it mine. Brownies. I hate that place. It's so annoying. I literally hate.
Hopefully Brownies isn't watching your video.
They're not, even though I told her that my channel. And her mom literally. Cool. I'm not sure to tell you so. Yeah, she's cool. I don't have any more Starburst stuff. That's a problem. Oh, and I need to show you some things.
Oh yeah, show them the rock. Show them the rock.
Don't touch it.
Is that the crystals we chose from
Yes, it is. You can tell. Okay, so these rocks I got. I will show you. So this one is a purple and white poop, which I got from my grandma. My grandma Tracy. She also got me this one. There's another piece to it. I smashed it. It's also the purple crystally stuff. And then I have this one, which I got from my uncle, which is filled with real silver. And this one. And this one, which is filled with silver. All over, almost.
Nuh-uh.
Okay, and now I'm putting them back. I hate it, so I say it like that. Okay, now let's go downstairs. You need to clean this up. Yeah, you're going home
cool.
soon. Literally, like right now, so you need to clean it up. I'm not cleaning that up.
Okay.
Because that's what my friend Kira did. You know Kira.
Yeah.
But she came over to my house and we made this like big mess and she promised to help me with it. And as soon as her mom knocked on the door, she's like, "Okay, bye, Alexis." And then she went like running and I'm like, "Okay, I'll just do this all by myself."
You do that voice again of Curate.
What?
You sound just like Curate. Do it. Do the
No, I
voice.
don't. Which one?
No, you just said, "Okay, bye, Alexis." That one.
I didn't say it like, "Okay, bye, Alexis." That's what I did. So, but more Kira sounding. Okay,
Sounds
let's
like
go
it.
downstairs. Clean this up. Go downstairs. Come on.
I am.
And you need to put that back in its container.
What?
I'll help you. Yep, who cares? I'll help you. Don't worry. I didn't do any of this.